Yeah. I poly all weekend, and sorry on Sunday. Shorty looking good enough to eat, call it Sunday. She could be my wife, maybe, someday, one day. Fast life going down the one way. She gon' make me bust, and I ain't talking gunplay. Money over bitches if you talking about the money, money, money. When is you gon' stop frontin' on me? I'm too hot, shorty too cool, but they say opposites attract, you know how we do. And we do, us and me too. Shit, it's like a fairy tale, Beauty and the Beast too. Her body so sick and I need flu. I don't need nothing, but I need you. You made me, why would I play you like a P2 or a P3? I know she see me, and I just love the way she ride it like CC. Let me catch the beat back seat, let me let the seat back. I just relapsed, damn she cracked, damn she left and never came back. When is you gonna stop frontin' on me? I poly all weekend, and sorry on Sunday. Shorty looking good enough to eat, call it Sunday. She could be my wife, maybe, one day, someday. Fast life going down the one way. She gon' make me bust, and I ain't talking gunplay. Money over bitches if you talking about the money, money, money. When is you gonna stop frontin' on me? No, when you gonna stop frontin', girl? You know what time it is, man. You ain't even gotta look at your watch. You know?
Yo. Shit's early, man. I just... Alright, my nigga, alright.
Dedicate this song to my mother, my little brother. Rest in peace. How you doing, mother? It's your oldest son. How's my little brother? I hope he good. You should see Donnie, he's so much taller now. I'm the man and your daughter got a daughter now. Daddy bugging out, but I still love him. Shit, he still crushing. New baby mother. King say hi to a couple my friends. Tell them I see him soon or whenever it ends. I be thinking like damn. Got me thinking. I be thinking like rest in peace, Dizzy. Cause every night I think about the last time I seen you and we had a fight. Bad vibes, then the hood died. If I would've knew, would've said goodbye. Shit, I know I gotta blow up. Cause you was 17 and you ain't even get to grow up. When you passed away, so many phony people showed up. Fake ass family members, I'm like, you know what? Me, Smooth, and Donnie is all we got. So when it's beef, we don't even call a block. We celebrate Memorial Day, and we do it real big for your birthday. Damn, got me thinking, I be thinking. I be thinking like shit. Got me thinking. I be thinking. I be thinking like damn. Got me thinking. I be thinking. I be thinking like shit. I be thinking. I be thinking. Got me thinking like eat, sleep, shit, rap. I'm that.